Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. I'm JT, and I'm currently at the first waterfall of my 7-day waterfall challenge. So my challenge is to photograph 7 waterfalls in 7 days. I'm currently at Bucktail Falls. This is the first waterfall on my trip, and let's start photographing. Right there, that is awesome. This is exactly why I love photography. I can come out here in the middle of nowhere and there's nobody else here, and there's this giant waterfall right behind me. I got 6 more waterfalls to go, and this is really getting me remotivated and kind of pumping me up to get back into photography and getting that fire going again. Time to hike back to the car. Alright, so I am here in upstate New York. I'm currently walking along this creek, and there are all these little waterfalls, like baby waterfalls, on the way to the main one. There's one that's down over that way, and it's pretty cool looking, so I'm documenting all these little baby waterfalls. They don't count as the 7 waterfalls in 7 days challenge, but there's just something extra, and it's just so much fun to be out here taking photos of as much as I can, because this is a ton of fun. So we're headed to waterfall number 2, which is Pratt Falls, and we should be there shortly. So I talked about it in one of my other waterfall videos, but cleaning your lens is probably one of the most important things about waterfall photography. It's always going to be getting splashed, it's always going to be getting wet, so try and keep a clean lens between shots. Check the front of your lens, especially a wide angle lens. You might be missing some shots because you're getting water droplets all over your lens. So if you get a cleaning cloth, make sure you're keeping it clean. Alright, so as you can count, that was only 2 of the 7 waterfalls in this video. This is going to be part 1 of a 3-part series. There was just so much footage and so many photos for me to edit. I could shoot them in 7 days, but I couldn't edit all of them in 7 days. But after completing that challenge, I can say I'm more motivated, I feel a lot better, and I'm more confident to get out there and go shoot. And as you can see, I'm trying to do a little bit more with my channel. I'm trying to take you guys out a little bit more and actually go shooting with me. So if you like this new style, definitely let me know down below in the comments. And if you hate it, let me know down below in the comments. So until next time, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you know when my new videos are coming out, and keep an eye out for part 2 of the 7 Falls in 7 Days challenge coming up later this week. So until next time, get out and go shoot.